Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now for this vehicle, I really tried to get the Lowrider song for more, but I couldn't do it with the copyright, so just imagine it playing in the background. Here we have a 2015 Ram 1500. It does have the Blackout package on it. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and they just did a brand new lowering kit on it. You also get those gorgeous brand new 20-inch wheels that are housing brand new tires. It also has a clean CARFAX. We are going to take you through this quickly, but if you have any additional questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Now, I lost the footage going on inside, so we'll just throw in a few pictures here. You have a nice long door because of the two-door. You get that extra space on there, power mirrors, windows, and locks. You also have lots of storage down below, 2 cup holders, premium cloth throughout. I'll give you a couple different views here. This vehicle can obviously hold 3 passengers. And down below, you have great molded all-weather mats, keeping everything in excellent condition. On your steering wheel, this is the key helping you in. Actually, we'll just show you that. You have your unlock, lock, and panic button. And on your steering wheel, back to the footage, you do have your cruise control to the right, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection to the left, fully automatic headlights to the left of that, and a tilt option on the steering wheel. The current mileage sits at 101,499 kilometers currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. To the right, you have your ignition, of course. Up top, you have that RAM detailing with a bit of extra storage, and into your UCONNECT system, you have your AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options, and then for the media itself, you can connect through USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. There's a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone, compass, settings, and more. You also have a great backup camera there. And down below that, you have the manual controls for your climate, including air conditioning. This also has the optional trailer brake control, traction control, and tow haul. 12 volts outlet to the left, USB to the right, pull-out drawer for storage. The top shallow space in your console has all of your media ports tucked away, and then of course that does lift up to give you that third-person capability. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side, try to adjust the lighting here for you. Glove compartment down below, additional space above that, vanity mirrors, and interior cabin lighting above that. You do have a bit of extra storage behind the seats as well. The back bed is lined for added durability, and you do have the tie-down hooks in the 4 corners. As you can see, that was just a very quick tour. This is a beautiful truck. If you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive to experience it for yourself, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.